All right, hey, this is Mark coming to you from Baker's Green Acres. I'm going to do a live video here real quick because I wonder if you've ever gotten bitten. I just got bit. I got bit by one of my own videos. Turns out I had made a video on a few days ago. It was when it was real cold. It was 16 below, and I'd come out and I made a video, and all about perspective, you know, getting perspective on what you're doing and how homesteading is really not about a place. It's not about a it's not about an acreage size. It's more or less in my mind anyway, it is a mindset. All right, it's a mindset. And so I'm out here, you know, I've got my plow truck there, and you can see the front of it is taken apart, and I was listening to a podcast on my phone, and all of a sudden the podcast ended, and I'm grumbling about this thing breaking, and I'm thinking, why is it that I can't just take this someplace and get it fixed? All those things that I'm thinking. Stupid truck, can't stay running. Wasn't the truck, it's the power unit for to lift up the plow up and down. And then all of a sudden, my own video comes on. And at first it's like, that's a familiar voice, and then I start listening to it. And after I made that video the other day, that was it. I uploaded it, and I went on with my business, and I didn't really listen to it. I didn't listen to it at all. So I'm listening to my own video about homesteading and self-sufficiency and perspective, and all of a sudden I realized, well, I'm under a roof, I'm inside, I have a heater here that I'm able to run to thaw the ice out of that. I have tools. I'm walking. I digested my food today. I'm probably going to get lunch. I'll probably sleep in a warm bed tonight. Nobody's shooting at me. So as far as perspective goes, I got it made here. All I have is a broken unit there. I don't have a drive shaft hanging out. I don't have an engine that's leaking oil. So I think in that video I said, you know what, we need to expound on this whole concept of homesteading being a state of mind, because not everybody will start off and immediately be able to move out of town and get a piece of land and all that stuff. Those are the things, those are the tools that are necessary to go with this state of mind that there's like a consciousness of this need to be a little bit more self-sufficient, or a lot more self-sufficient, a lot more resilient. You know, storms come, food's cleared off the shelf at the store. Now what? Now what do you do? You know, we're talking resiliency, we're talking contingency planning, we're talking about self-reliance, being able to do these things. So I got a taste of my own medicine there, and it was good. I needed it. It was just in time because I was about ready to throw a wrench through the windshield. So I was reminded too that I said we would continue this conversation, and we will. Okay, that's enough for now, but I just had a great thought, but if I go down that rabbit hole, we're going to be all day. So this is Mark from Baker's Green Acres. Remember, anyone can farm. Help us out with this. We can affect Facebook's algorithm thing if everybody hits like. Just hit like. And then if this message is something that you would like to share with somebody else, and it's something that somebody else needs, go ahead and share it with them. Thanks.